And remember, guys, it's not a race from one end to the other. If I were using a straight edge, I would definitely be moving a little bit faster. But I'm trying to make that straight line because this is supposed to be a straight line. And guess what? It worked. It worked just fine. The center feather is completed, okay? And what I'm gonna do with the two feathers on the end now is these greens are gonna be reversed. So the light green is gonna be on the inside and the dark green will be on the outside. So we had our strips cut. Remember, we stripped out 15/16 strips and they lay right in here. And so we've got these cut. And I tell you, I just saw something and I need to make sure we mark that. You know, if you don't have a piece of glass that's marked, and then you set it off to the side, more than likely you're gonna think that it's just an extra and you'll toss it. So don't do that. Make sure you number everything. And now remember, so we have our dark green on the inside up against the blue, but on this side and on both ends, we're gonna be doing just the opposite. So we're gonna have this nice sitting right here, and we're gonna cut this right along that line. And there's number 47. Now I cut this 15/16, and remember what I did is I just held my tape measure on 1 inch and then dropped it. And now we'll put one right here like this. Like that. Okay. So now, like, again, what we're doing just the opposite. You'll be able to pick it up being the opposite once it's in the air, but I don't think you'll be able to notice it quite right away. So we just want to make sure that we're just going to take that. And just like on the other side, we're going to stop it right in there, just like that. And now we're going to come in and we're going to use the darker green. Remember, we're turning the darker green up so that we can see that beautiful ripple texture on this glass. So we're gonna make sure that we do this on both ends, and that's what's gonna bring this window all together for us. Just that very simple little changing it around, making it opposite of the other side will give it a little bit of character. You'll look at it, you'll see something different, but you won't be quite sure exactly what it is. And that is the whole idea. I want you to look at it, and then we want you to look at it again. And then you'll say, well, okay, there it is. And this worked out really nice, just like that. So we'll flip that over. We'll flip that over. Okay. So we've got the 3 feathers done now, and you can see that what makes these different is the the end feathers do not have dark blue in the feather itself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure these are numbered. I've got my baggies because this is just gonna be crazy. So we'll just undo one baggie at a time when we get to that point. But hey, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start cutting out the clear. And remember, we had talked about, I had ordered a double roll, and this is really pretty. I like this because I can get close to it. If there's a tree branch outside, you'll see it. But as soon as I move away, all you're gonna see is like this, well, let's just take a little piece of green here. And if there's a tree branch outside, you'll just see a little bit of green in the, just blowing in the wind through the window. It should be quite pretty. This double roll, this is a Wismac, guys. And you know, Wismac makes English muffle too. So we're Wismacking out on this window, and it's absolutely gonna be a beautiful window. So let's get these numbered, get them in baggies, get the clear, so that in episode 6, we can start fabricating. Thank you, Barb. Here's my baggies. All I gotta do is number everything and make sure that it's numbered. Make sure you dot everything too, because there's nothing worse than saying, oh, I didn't cut that. Oh, I didn't cut it. Will be probably setting the grinder over here, because there's on these points, you always get that burr on that point, and even when you're doing lead cane, you want that cane to lay up in that corner correctly. So we'll be probably having the grinder over here on the table with us as well. So this is number 64. We want to make sure that we're coming in here, and we know that the other end is just the same length. So we want to set that right there on our square, and we're going to pull down on them, and then we're cutting. So now we've got our first score on our double roll, and now this is really going to be nice here. So we have this. And remember, these are also clear, because we want these feathers, when they drop down, we want them hanging there is what we want. That is exactly what we want. We want them hanging there. So, you know, when you're cutting glass, and you probably heard me say this a lot of times before, is it's not a race, man. So we've started over here working on this, beside this feather here. And really, you know, the center is the only clear parts. I think we have like 12 pieces of glass to cut. So we're gonna get to work on that. And remember, guys, I don't like to cut my glass sitting down. And so I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna get right up above it. And remember, guys, this isn't a race from one end to the other. What it is a perfectly straight line that we need in order to make this window look great when we put it together. So we're going to take that, and we'll just break that off, break this off, and now we'll lay that right there. And that's where we want that one. This little score right here, let's get rid of it. And now we should be able to take right here, and you see that line? I am right on the very inside of that black line, because that black line is the heart of my cane. Boom, boom. So this is all color around here. So now we've got to dig in here And we're going to cut some strips because this is all strip here, and I have cut this to fit the width of this right here. Well, but let's go ahead and get this number 43, 143, number 143 out of the way. And remember, guys, it's not a race from one end to the other. If I were using a straight edge, I would definitely be moving a little bit faster. But I'm trying to make that straight line because this is supposed to be a straight line. And guess what? It worked. It worked just fine. Okay, so this is number 143. And we're going to X that one. And we're going to X that one. And this is number 64. And we're going to dot that one out too.